Amazon Prime is something which nowadays almost everyone have on their smartphone. Either you purchase a membership or you arrange it from somewhere. And Amazon Prime is not only limited to watching movies and ordering things with zero delivery charges. It is something more than that. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you 5 Amazon Prime things you don't know about. So with that being said, yo, what's up guys, Devansh here, and now without any further ado, let's get started. The first is the Prime Music. Like if you're having the membership of Amazon Prime, you really don't need to take subscription of any other music application by paying extra charges. Amazon Music has more than 50 million songs and you can listen them ad-free, and also the UI of the music application is pretty cool. Just give it a try. The second is the Prime Special Deals. Like in your Amazon applications menu, you can see there is an option named Prime. Just click on that, scroll a bit and you will see a section named Prime Member Deals. Some special offers are there exclusively for Prime members and they are updated on daily basis. You will see different kind of offers every day. The third is the Amazon Kindle. Prime members can read most of the Kindle ebooks for free. Like here you can see this is a paid ebook and Prime members can read it without paying a single penny. You can also download the Kindle application and use it for free if you are a Prime member. The same service can be obtained on Kindle devices. The fourth thing is the pre-access to sales. Every year, mega sales are there 4 to 5 times and there is a specific time when the sale will begin. And at that time, there is much better and exclusive deals for Prime members. And also the Prime members can access the sale 12 or few hours prior than non-Prime members. The fifth and the last thing is Amazon Photos. Like in case if your storage is running out and there are thousands of photos you want to save. In that condition, Prime members can use Amazon Prime Photos, which offers an online drive and it is completely free for the Prime members. So these were the advantages of Amazon Prime which a lot of people weren't knowing. I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot, and guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram @techparadise_ for future updates and for exclusive giveaways. And if you have any question in your mind regarding this video, please put a comment below in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am Devansh and I'll catch you in the next one.